Hi everybody, it's Alex Hughes with the North Pacific Homes Group and eXp Realty. I'd like to welcome you to my newest listing at 4504 Carrollwood Court. Now this property is in Saanich in the highly sought after neighborhood of Broadmead. Now this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom rancher has been meticulously maintained by their owners, and pride of ownership is ever prevalent here. Now throughout the years, they've been spending the time upgrading the home to up their energy efficiency, and this includes adding a heat pump, vinyl windows, new perimeter drains, and insulating the crawl space. Now taking a look up, you can see the gorgeous vaulted ceilings with a roof that was replaced in 2021, along with the skylights that allow tons of natural light to come through. As you can see, looking around, they've done a great job renovating the kitchen and bathroom with hardwood floors throughout and heated tiles. Now this property sits on a 10,000 square foot lot, and look how serene this yard is. Now whether you want to sit and relax on your back deck and listen to the stream running through your property, or a great spot for entertaining your guests with a natural gas hookup for your barbecue, you've got tons of room for any garden aspirations, and that already comes irrigated. Now that's everything I have for you folks today. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour, and I hope to hear from you soon.